Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NGN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Nigeria's Niger Delta region is richly endowed not only with natural resources, but also an array of stars strutting their stuff in the entertainment world. One of the many rising stars in the music industry indigenous to the Niger Delta is Yoyo Ovirie, popularly known as Yoyo Ovi, whose songs are currently hitting the airwaves at home and abroad, as our correspondent now reports.
Isoko-born Yoyo Ovirie, popularly known as Yoyo Ovi, hails from Delta State, Nigeria. She's an award-winning songwriter and singer who took to music in 2015 after a brief stint in beauty pageantry. The songstress released her debut single titled Yoyo in 2015 and has to her credit a long list of singles released to date. Yoyo's songs currently enjoy radio play at home and abroad.
Yoyo Ovi. Linus, what a jam!
She has 100,000 streams on her audio Mac and about 30,000 streams on her YouTube channel. The new emerging lyrical sensation in the Niger Delta and beyond plays Afrobeat and Afropop and sings in her native Isoko language. Yoyo says she intends to use her music to propagate Isoko language and culture.
I speak the language. I love the language. It's more like communicating with my people, you know. I just have to give my people something. I'm giving the world something, so I also have to give my people something. Represent where I'm from.
The young beauty queen says music is her newfound love, as it gives her the opportunity to tell her story.
I express myself in Afrobeat and Afropop because I'm a storyteller. I tell interesting stories with my music, so yeah. I would say expressive music in Afrobeat.
Yoyo has participated in many competitions in the last 3 years. In 2020, she participated in the first edition of the Trophy Extra Special Band competition, where she gave a sonorous rendition of Evie Edna Ogoli's Obaro to the delight of her audience and panel of judges.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, that was good. You know, for me, you have the soulful pattern of your voice has that soulful thing to it, you know. And I think the last song, your voice came alive. You know, I loved it.
Thank you.
I like that song, Die. So the team all join.
Yoyo's latest single, Linus Umba, is currently hitting the airwaves in Delta State.
But make you stop all this, your lies necessary. Linus Umba. You too, they lie, you they give me
The rising star, who won the Made in Delta State Talent Search in 2021, talks about her latest single.
Linus Umba is actually someone's name, but it is also a street slang, you know. And it's a street slang that is used to describe liars. So the entire song is just like, it just describes liars, a lying situation. You can go to my page at Yoyo Ovi on Instagram and check me out on all social media platforms so you can stream Linus Umba and enjoy good music.
Yoyo has won several awards and is set to get to the next level with her upcoming album.
Yoyo Ovi, Eva on my John Arabia, make mama roviek dem me rovo monana, remena oh arena no joker te people.
Inside the Niger Delta,